Hello everyone. In this EBI tutorial we're going to look at three things: saving your settings, options, and log files. So all the settings that we make in our EBI screen here, we can save so that next time we open EBI we can restore them. The second button on the toolbar, when we press it, gives us the option to save an EBI settings file, a .ebi file. I'm going to call this one demo.ebi. And you can save it pretty much anywhere you like. I'm going to save it into our EBI demo folder. Now all the settings are saved. If I close down EBI and restart it, I can reopen that settings file by clicking the first button on the toolbar, finding the EBI file, and opening it, and all the settings are restored. The second thing I want to look at are options. We're not going to go through all the options, but I just want to let you know where they are. So the fourth button across in the toolbar, if you click this, there's further options that can be set. These are often referenced in the documentation and allow you to do many advanced capabilities inside the EBI. A couple of those are: we can set a proxy server, so if our EBI needs to connect through a proxy to EQUELLA, we can specify the address of it here. Another one is, sometimes our CSV files have special characters such as copyright symbols and non-ASCII characters for other languages. If that's the case, your CSV can't be a simple ASCII text file. It has to be encoded in some Unicode format. And there are many Unicode formats, and there's no possible way of automatically detecting it. So you need to tell EBI what your encoding is if you have any of these special characters. The EBI supports two encodings: UTF-8, which is the default, and Latin 1. Microsoft Excel often saves CSV files in Latin 1 Unicode encoding when you have special characters inside your spreadsheet. If you receive any errors regarding encoding, try changing your encoding and reloading the CSV file. The third thing I want to talk about are log files. So when we do a run, such as this one here, so I just test uploaded 3 items, and we go to our folder where the CSV file is, we're going to find that EBI is automatically going to create a folder called logs. And when we go inside logs, there's a text file for each time we've done a test run or a real run with EBI. So that last one I just run, if I open up the text file, we'll see that the contents of that text file is pretty much what comes out inside the terminal. So you'll have a permanent record of what you've actually achieved with your test runs and real runs, so you can go back and review if you have any errors or any problems. The last button on the toolbar is a useful one because it allows you to check the version of your EBI. So in clicking that, it actually connects back to the server that the EBI installation kit is actually served up from, and double checks your version of EBI and compares it to what the latest version is. So you can see that mine is currently 3.10 and the latest version is 3.10, so I can be confident that I'm using the latest version. If my version was out of date, I could click this link to get not just the latest version but also the documentation as well.